Today we are going to learn about profit. Okay, so profit is made by selling price and more than cost price. Okay, so it's called profit. Yes, sir. A profit, a profit is made by selling price, more than its cost price. Now in Nepali language, okay, profit भनेको चाहिँ नाफा भनिन्छ. So कुनै सामान किने बापत. Now how to find the profit? How to find the profit? So by using formula, okay. So the formula for profit is equal to SP. SP means selling price, and CP means cost price. And in simple word, selling price means if you want to buy some articles, I mean goods, and you would pay cost, is called cost price. Yes, and selling price. So selling price means as if you sell some articles, yes, after you take money, is called selling price. Yes. Okay, so the formula for profit is, I mean how to find the profit, okay, SP minus CP. As any simple word, SP selling price and CP means cost price. Yes, and for example, question number A, Mr. Zion bought a pen for rupees 10. Yes, after some times he sells a pen for rupees 20. Yes, so find the profit. Yes, so in question number A, John bought a pen for rupees 10. Yes, which article? A pen article, pen goods for rupees how much? 10. Yes, and after some times he sells again a pen for rupees 20. How much rupees? 20 rupees. Okay, now find the profit. How to find the profit? By using formula, okay, SP minus CP. How? SP minus CP. So here SP means selling price, yes, and CP means cost price. Okay, now to solve. First write the solution. Here we have John bought a pen for rupees 10. So it means cost price of a pen is rupees 10. Okay, what? Cost price. And let's write in bracket, okay, CP is equal to RS 10. Yes, rupees 10 is cost price of a pen. And after some time he sells a pen for rupees 20. How much rupees? 20. Which article? Pen article. Am I right? So it's selling price in bracket SP is equal to RS 20. And what happened? Profit. Why? So because selling price is more than cost price. Selling price is more and cost price is less. So what happened? Profit happened. Am I right? Okay. Now use a formula. Now profit is equal to, how to find the profit? SP minus CP. Am I right? SP minus CP, and it's equal to, so SP, okay, SP is rupees 20. How much rupees? Rupees 20. Minus CP is rupees 10, and it's equal to RS. Now subtract it. 20 minus 10, 10. At last, therefore, the profit is Rs 20, not that set. Is that clear? Yes. Understood or not? Yes. And if you have some problem, okay, and if you have some comments after asked to me, they have some problem, not? No. Not? Not. Please try the one questions. Where the question is, Sandhya bought a pencil for rupees 25, and after she sells a pencil for rupees 35. So find the profit. Find the profit. Okay, try.
यो लेखेको पनि त लेख्नु पर्यो नि हैन
So Mr. Ram is a shopkeeper. He bought a t-shirt for rupees 300 from wholesaler, and after some time again he sold a t-shirt for rupees 500. So find the profit. Now I request you, one students, please you come ahead, and to make this question, I request you, Mr. Rahul Rana, please you come ahead and try, okay, how to solve, how to find the profit. Okay, now next, Mr. Zia Chaudhary.
चाहिँ हाम्रो दैनिक जीवनमा धेरै नै उपयोगी हुन्छ, धेरै नै आवश्यक हुन्छ। जस्तै हामीले कुनै सामान किन्ने बापत मानौँ हामीले चाहिँ कुनै बजारमा गयौँ, कुनै सपमा गयौँ, कुनै दोकानमा गयौँ, त्यहाँ गइसकेपछि मानौँ हामी चाहिँ एउटा पेन किन्यौँ, मानौँ एउटा पेन चाहिँ हामीले ₹20 किनौँ है, कतिको ₹20 किन्यौँ है। त्यो ₹20 किनिसकेपछि त्यो पेनलाई हामी आफ्नो साथीलाई चाहिँ बेच्छौँ। Yes, I mean after we will sell, okay, the cost of yes, I mean the pen is for ₹25. हामीले त्यो पेनलाई चाहिँ 25 मा बेच्छौँ। सो 25 मा बेचे बापत हामीले यसमा चाहिँ प्रफिट हुन्छ। कसरी प्रफिट हुन्छ? किनभने हामीले यसमा किनेको भन्दा बेचेको प्राइस बढी छ। यदि हामीले किनेको प्राइस भन्दा बेचेको प्राइस बढी छ भने त्यसमा चाहिँ प्रफिट हुन्छ। यसमा कति प्रफिट हुन्छ? 5% हो। किनभने हामीले यसमा सबट्र्याक्सन गर्नुपर्ने यसमा घटाउ गऱ्यो यस ₹25 माइनस ₹20 गऱ्यो भने हामीले कति प्रफिट हुन्छ त? ₹5 हुन्छ। Is that clear? Yes. For your